Mamnomsa finds love at the tavern. Mbuso and Zandile are back. Mbuso demands that Zandile gives him another baby. But Zandile wants to tell everyone the truth about what happened to Bambolunye. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So, Chuma no Bulelani, they're at the house cleaning for Mamnomsa. Bulelani apologizes for what Matsiriso did, Emosha Ilanjake. And then Unkanyizo comes up with an idea of hosting a jazz night, goes around Sagaza inviting people to come to the tavern for a jazz night yakhe. Nelo athi hayi angingeni mina ngifuna ukuchilla nabantu abadala. They have a jazz night. Mamnomsa goes there to get amakhi yakhe kubulelani and finds her friends there. Mamsonto saying that they're there to find love, they're hoping to get love. And then the next thing, Mamnomsa ends up being the one finding love. A certain man comes to approach her and insists on accompanying her home. And this man is taken by Mamnomsa, saying that Mamnomsa is beautiful and she looks like a respectable woman of God. And this man acts like Nawel turned the Bible and knows a few Bible verses. It seems like Mamnomsa utategili. Is there a relationship going to bloom between the two? Anyway, Mbuso no Zandile, they come back, but it feels good to be back. Bahambile, they were mourning their baby, now they're back. And Mbuso begs Zandile not to tell anyone about what happened in Bambolunye. And then Mbuso is obsessed with Zandile giving him another baby. And even calls in the traditional healer to create a concoction for Zandile to drink so that she can fall pregnant quickly and have another baby. And then Zandile insists she's going to tell everyone the truth about what happened to Bambolunye, saying that it means this is taboo. We're not supposed to have a baby. That's why Bambolunye did not survive. But Mbuso is like, Ngege, you're going to give me another baby, whether you like it or not. So uyamvimba ukuthi angatsheli umuntu about what happened to Bambolunye. Now Zandile is forced to keep quiet. Will she keep quiet or she's going to tell them about what happened kahle kahle kuBambolunye? Them switching up the baby kaNandi and all that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.